Today is December 3rd? 2nd? I don't know. 2nd probably.
December 2nd.
We're putting on the new NERF bars on the truck. Cutting the old ones off was a pain. That's Dean. He's gonna put his bolt in. Mine's in. Have you noticed mine's in? His is not.
Look how hard, easy yours is to accessible.
That is true.
Just more accessible.
Yeah, mine's more accessible. Come at it from the side a little bit.
Almost there.
Okay, watch me on this film thing.
See what I'm saying? Maybe it's opposite. No, that's right, because if you think about where the seats are, yes, the step things are where they're supposed to be, yeah. That's right.
Come this way a little bit.
That's what I said. Now I'll try to push it with my leg. That help?
They didn't come from the same company, so they should be different.
Bolts are the same sizes. Can't get it on. New brackets. Take all day. Hammer. Yay!
Tell me what you did.
The NERF bars on. You did it, bro.
You did it, I didn't do it.
Just jumped over. Remember when I was little? Look how awesome it is.
Very nice.